Have you noticed yourself or someone around you snoring a lot? Many Americans might not realize that snoring isn't just about sleeping too deeply. There's usually more going on. Snoring happens when airflow through your nose and throat gets partially blocked. When we fall asleep, the muscles in our throat naturally relax, including the soft palate, tongue, and surrounding tissues. If these structures loosen too much, the airway narrows. As air is forced through this tight space, it makes the tissues vibrate, creating that familiar snoring sound. There are actually a lot of triggers for snoring. Sleeping on your back can make the tongue fall backward and block airflow. A stuffy nose from allergies or a cold makes breathing harder. Extra body weight puts pressure around the neck. And having a drink before bed relaxes throat muscles more, making snoring louder. Occasional snoring is usually harmless, but frequent loud snoring in you or your family could signal sleep apnea, a sleep disorder where breathing stops and starts repeatedly at night. This can lower sleep quality